So today's topic is some or any. When to use some and any. The words some and any are determiners. They are used to modify nouns. Some and any can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. They show an indefinite quantity or number. Let's see how. There are some mangoes on the tree. We don't mention the exact number of mangoes on the tree. I haven't got any money. She has some friends in Hong Kong. So these all three sentences are showing an indefinite quantity or number. Some is generally used in positive sentences and any is generally used in negative sentences. Let's see with the examples. I have some information for you about flights to Paris. Now this is a positive sentence with uncountable. I don't have any information for you about flights to Paris. Now here it's a negative sentence as don't is used with uncountable. We met some friends for drinks after work yesterday. This is a positive sentence with plural countable. I don't see any friends there on Thursday. This is a negative sentence as didn't is used with plural countable. I think he will have some time to speak to you today. This is a positive sentence with uncountable. I don't think he will have any time to speak to you today. This is a negative sentence with uncountable. So here all these sentences show that some is generally used in positive sentences and any is generally used in negative sentences. But there are some few exceptions also. Let's see. Questions with some and any. Generally we use any in questions. Example, do you know any famous people? Do you have any children? But some is used in the following circumstances. Let's see what are the circumstances. When we are offering something, would you like some coffee? Do you want some sugar for your coffee? So when we are offering something, we use some in the question sentence. Second is when we are asking for something, like, could I have some salt please? Can I have some fries with that? So here you are asking for something, so we have used some in the question sentence. When we are suggesting something, why don't we watch some movies on TV tonight? Why don't you give her some advice? So here you must have noticed that some is used when we are offering something, asking for something or suggesting something in the question sentence. Let's see here with the conversation. Barbara, is there any milk left? Catherine, yes, there is some in the bottle on the table. Barbara, would you like some milk? Catherine, no, thank you. I don't think I'll drink any tonight. Could I have some water, please? Barbara, sure. There is some in the fridge. So here the some is used in the positive and in the question sentence, and any is used in the negative and in the question sentence. Same way you can also make your own conversation using some and any, keeping the rules in mind. Let's see the rules again. We use some in positive sentences. Example, I have some friends in London. Exception. We use some in questions when offering or requesting something. Example, would you like some bread? This is the offer. Could I have some water? This is the request. And any, we use any in negative sentences or questions. Examples, he doesn't have any friends in Chicago. Do you have any cheese? Now some words. We use some words, somebody, someone, somewhere and something in positive sentences. Example, he lives somewhere near here. Then any words. We use any words, anybody, anyone, anywhere and anything in negative sentences or questions. Example, she doesn't have anywhere to go. Do you know anything about that boy? Now complete the following sentences using some or any. Let's see with few examples. Don't forget. We use some for affirmative and polite sentences, or when you hope or expect the answer to be yes. Example, I have got some good news. They have got something to say. Would you like some tea? Can I have some more cake, please? And don't forget, we use any for questions and negatives. I haven't got any good news. She hasn't got any sisters. Have they got any wine? Now few examples that we are going to study about some and any. Just be ready for that. I have got some money. He hasn't got any money. Have Bob and Sam got any children? There isn't any wine in the fridge. I have got some cheese but I haven't got any bread. I'm going to the post office. I need some stamps. There aren't any shops in this part of town. Let's do some exercises. Don't do any exercises. There's some ice cream in the fridge. Do you know any English? There are some English students in our school. I don't want any fruit. We must buy some apples. I don't like any of them. I have some cereals for breakfast. Has he got any friends? Is there any milk left? So summarize. Let's do the summary till whatever we have studied. The general rule is that any is used for questions and negatives, while some is used for positive. Both may be used with countable and uncountable nouns. Some may also be used for questions, typically offers and request, if we think the answer will be positive. Thank you. Bye-bye.